Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about date and time functions. Date and calendar will be discussed. So what is meant by date and time functions? Date and time functions helps us creating calculations based on date and time related things. Okay. So coming to date, date is a scalar valued function which returns the specified date in the date and time format. Okay. The syntax of date function is it accepts three mandatory arguments. Okay, the first one is year, second one is month, third one is day. Okay, for example, if we have a look at this particular example, we can observe that date is accepting three arguments. The first one is nothing but 2024, which is an year, 06 is a month, 26 is the day. So the output of this particular function will be in this format. Okay, so now I am in the Power BI desktop application to observe what exactly the function date is performing. Okay. For that I am taking a new measure. Why? Because a date is a scalar valued function. All the scalar valued functions will be written under measures only. Okay. I am naming the measure as date1. I am taking the function date and I am passing the required arguments year, month and day. I am executing it. It got executed successfully and I am visualizing that particular measure with the help of a card. If we observe here, it is written a single value. Okay, it is written a single value by taking three different values. We have passed year, month, and day, three separately, but it is written a single value in the form of date and time. Next, we are going to discuss about the function calendar. The calendar is a table valued function which returns a table with one column, and that column name will be date, which contains all the dates between start and end date specified under the calendar function. So if we have a look at the syntax, calendar is accepting two mandatory arguments. The first one is start date and second one is end date. Okay, you can observe these two examples how exactly the calendar is going to be work will be seen in the Power BI desktop application. So now I am taking a new table to write calendar function. Why? Because calendar is a table valued function. Okay, so all the table valued functions should be written under a table only. So I'm naming it as date, writing calendar function, providing start date with the help of date function. 2024 0101 is my start date, and date is today's date 2024 06 26. I'm executing it. So after executing this thing, I am getting a new table called date, which consists of only one column, and that column contains all the dates present between the specified start date and end date. The way of providing values in this way has a major disadvantage. Why? Because in real time we will get data on daily basis. So whenever the new day comes, again we need to come here and we need to change the day like this. So this involves a manual interference. In order to avoid these things, what we will do means we will make use of min and max functions to get start date and end date respectively. So now I am making use of min function to get minimum available order date from my orders table. In the same way, max function to get maximum available order date from my orders table. After executing this function, it is saying that 3/1/2020 is the minimum available order date, and in the same way the maximum available order date is 30/12/2023. So with the help of min and max functions, I am passing the date dynamically here. So I no need to worry about the upcoming days. Whenever the data or dates get changed in the orders table, those will get automatically reflected in my date table. So now let's jump back into the presentation. So today we have discussed date and time functions, date and calendar. Thank you for watching this video.